Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. JMM candidate Basant Soren wins Dumka seat. CM Hemant Soren expressed gratitude for trust. JMM candidate Basant Soren has won from Dumka Assembly seat in Jharkhand. He has won by 6,512 votes. JMM candidate defeated BJP candidate Dr. Louis Marandi. CM Hemant Soren thanked the people for trust. Let us tell you that 12 candidates including JMM candidate Basant Soren and BJP candidate Dr. Louis Marandi were in the election from Dumka Assembly seat. On 3rd November 2020, the people of Dumka had their fate imprisoned in the EVM. Today, fate was decided. Congress candidate Kumacha Mangal wins from Barmo, defeats BJP candidate Yogeshwar Mehto. Congress candidate Kumacha Mangal has won from Barmo Assembly seat of Jharkhand. The Congress candidate defeated BJP candidate Yogeshwar Mehto Batul. Let us tell you that 16 candidates including Congress candidates Anup Singh and BJP candidate Yogeshwar Mehto Batul were in election from Barmo Assembly seat. On 3rd November 2020, the people of Barmo had their fate imprisoned in the EVM. Guidelines on crackers, Diwali and Kali Puja released in public places in Jharkhand will not be cracked. In view of coronavirus infection, Hemant government of Jharkhand has released guidelines regarding Diwali and Kali Puja. The guidelines issued on Tuesday has explicitly banned burning of firecrackers in public places. People will not be able to break crackers in public places on this Diwali. At the same time, people have been asked to burn crackers in their homes and with condition. Looking at Diwali, the government is currently studying in the direction of National Green Tribunal. In Jharkhand too, only green crackers can be allowed to burn. Apart from this, there is a ban on marketing big pandals in Kali Puja. During the puja, no more than 50% can stay in puja pandal simultaneously. State Chief Security Sukhdev Singh has issued an order on this. Jharkhand Finance Minister Dr. Rameshwar Rao corona infected, admitted in medical. Jharkhand's Food Supply and Finance Minister Dr. Rameshwar Rao has been found corona positive. Medica has shifted for a precaution. Dr. Rao himself tweeted this confirmation. During this time, the minister has appealed to the people who have come in contact with the minister in recent days to get the corona test done. 42 lakh people wrote in other religion columns. The tribal communities claim that there was no Sarna Dharma column was a symbolic protest. In the coming census, again there is a demand to give a separate code to Sarna Dharma. In the last census, around 42 lakh people of the state have reported a presence in other religion column. Those who struggle with the Sarna Dharma code claim that more than 41 lakh people wrote Sarna in other religion column. Only 41,000 people had mentioned their tribal religion. Those seeking the Sarna Dharma code believe that it was a protest. Dr. Karam Rao, a well-known educationalist who is proposed TAC member to work on this matter, says that we do not want our presence in other religion code. Modi government has directly attacked 62 crore donor, said Dr. Rameshwar Rao. On Monday, against the 3 agriculture laws passed by the BJP government at the centre, the State Congress Committee took out a Kisan Bachao Kheti Bachao Yatra under a tractor rally. The rally started from the late Savannah Lake Chowk in Namkum, Rampur and reached the old assembly ground via Sadabha Chowk, Ghagra, Doranda. BJP-led NDA gets majority on 125 seats, set to form government in state. The BJP put a winning performance in the Bihar Assembly polls, leading the ruling NDA to obtain majority. The Election Commission of India announced results of the poll in early hours on Wednesday. The NDA won an absolute majority in Bihar, winning 125 seats, 3 more than the halfway mark needed for a victory. Black marketing of 2 tickets revealed. RPF arrested 2 from Giridih's Gawan. Restricted software will manage Ocean Spark V2 using Spark V2 to make black marketing of railway e-tickets from personal user ID. RPF has disclosed the matter. RPF Koderma stream raided a shop located in Giridih's Ganwa market and arrested 2 people involved in this business. Bank in state is in disarray, lending capacity will decrease. In the last 3 months, the performance of bank in Jharkhand has gone below average in many ways. It is during this period that the CD ratio of the bank has come down drastically. The performance of Jharkhand is very poor as compared to Chhattisgarh, which came into existence as a new state. If the condition remains the same, banks in the Jharkhand will not be in a position to give loans. You can get a chance to buy gold cheaply on Dhanteras. Then the price of gold and silver dropped. Dhanteras is coming gradually. Buying gold and silver on Dhanteras is considered very auspicious and beneficial. There is a good news for those who buy gold on Dhanteras. They can buy it cheaply on this occasion. The reason of this is that the price of gold and silver has fallen on Tuesday in bullion market. According to information provided by HDFC Security on Tuesday, gold fell by rupees 662 to rupees 50,338 per 10 grams in Delhi bullion market. Gold has closed at rupees 51,000 per 10 gram in the previous trading session. Mumbai Indians win IPL title for 5th time. Delhi's dream broken. Mumbai Indians have won the IPL 2020 title by defeating Delhi Capital by 5 wickets in IPL 2020 final. With this, Mumbai captured the record for the 5th time. Mumbai achieved Delhi's target by scoring 157 runs, losing 5 wickets in 18 overs and 4 balls. COVID-19 updates. The World Health Organization chief said on Tuesday it hopes to have a COVID-19 vaccine by year end and that prefers experiment readiness is a very promising one with one expected. Weather updates in Ranchi. Temperature will almost be 17 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.95 with an increase of 0.22 and diesel up to rupees 74.85 with an increase of 0.22. Special about today. National Education Day of India is celebrated on 11 November every year. It is an annual observance in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of independent India. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.